Joe here, Magnolia Blade and Gun, coming to you with a review an unboxing of a new Holosun sight. This is the 510C Elite but the green dot sight. So this one's in FDE, and it does have the green. Also, it has a 65 MOA circle with a small dot in the middle, or you can change it from circle to dot. They had a black version of this with a red reticle, and that's what I had ordered first from Optics Planet, but then I saw that this was available. I was like, wow, that's a lot cooler. Let me bring you down here. I'm just going to kind of do an unboxing video. I would really rather have the green dots. So anyway, without further ado, look, I'm telling you what, this sleeve is super hard to get off here. Kind of funny, but let's see how the Holosun's got it packed in here. Flip around for you. And nice little shaded cover here. And like I said, I'm opening this for the first time with you guys. Got some little instruction books there. A battery. We have a CR203 2H. Okay. Got that. Looks like a little lens cloth or something. Of course, your little don't eat treat. Let's see here. Get the sight out. Oh wow, it's an all metal sight. Wow, that is high quality. This is the first Holosun sight I've bought. I was really worried about being plastic or something. No, that's an all metal build there. Really nice. Look, with a throw lever here, like, you know, some of your higher end sights. Really, really cool there. So yeah, I'm excited about that. It also has a solar panel here that just in case, you know, you run out of battery, it can help with that. Let's see what you got here. It's like a little tool here, okay, and battery tray, and another tool here, okay. So anyway, really good looking sight. And I tell you what I got this for. I've got a new 300 blackout pistol project I've been working on. Let me show you here real quick. You know, you can see that, nothing special, just a little 300 blackout pistol. Wanted something not too crazy to go on there, but that's what I've got. So I'm excited about this little sight. I mean, this thing seems really nicely built. It's got the plus minus. I'm sure that's for the power, you know, the light and stuff like that on the sides. I'm not going to try to get any crazy, you know, shots of the reticle or anything like that for you, but just want to give you the basic rundown, unboxing, stuff like that. You can look up all the specs online, but it's very well built. This looks, I mean, great. I think it's going to look awesome on top of the 300 blackout. So really excited about that, y'all. All right, coming back at you. I got it mounted on the weapon here. Easy, very easy to mount, shoot up, you know. And one thing that's cool about this little light sensor here is it's not only solar powered, it helps to decide whether it's light or dark outside, how to brighten or lighten the reticle in there. So that's really cool. Another thing, apparently this is titanium. Correct me if I'm wrong, if you read different, but that's what I've read. So really good, high quality stuff. And you know, you can go through here and manipulate the sight, manual modes. You know, it's got where you set it down and it goes off, sleep mode, all that kind of cool stuff. So really, really excited about that. I just wanted to share that with y'all, especially since I hadn't seen another one of the FDE ones with the green reticle on the internet yet. So thank y'all so much. Got some more videos to come. Please stay tuned to Magnolia Blade and Gun. Thank y'all. Sub my channel, like the channel. God bless y'all, and thanks again. Alright, y'all, just so you know, that's what the reticle looks like. It's hard for me to get in view with this camera, but anyway, that's basically it.